Hello my friends, my name is Waaiz Shahzad. Today I would like to share a story with you. The Wolf and the Fox in a Cellar. There was once a fox who had a wolf for a friend. The fox had to do everything the large wolf wanted. One day the wolf said, "Find me some food, or I shall eat you up." The fox thought for a while and said, "I know a man who keeps salted meat in a barrel in his cellar. I will take you there." They crawled into the cellar through a small hole in the wall. The greedy wolf began to gobble up the meat, while the fox stopped eating now and then to see if his belly could still fit through the hole in the wall. "Don't eat too much," he warned the wolf. But the wolf only said, "I will not leave until this barrel is empty." The farmer heard the animals and he opened the cellar door to see who was there. The fox quickly ran back through the hole in the wall, but the wolf had eaten too much. He was too fat to escape. In the end, the farmer killed the wolf and made himself a new winter coat. The fox was also happy to be rid of that bully of a wolf. Moral: do not let greed lead you into trouble. Friends, I hope you liked this video. I will meet you in another video. Goodbye.